Hello.
Hello?
How are you?
Beautiful.
Hello.
Hello?
I said, how are you?
I'm okay, and you?
No, I'm alright. Am I talking to Nokutenda Lin Ndoro?
Yes.
Yeah, great. Thank you. My name is Mr. Mushakabvu, and I'm calling you from Parirenyatwa Group of Hospitals.
Okay.
Yes. I noticed yesterday evening that you placed in an application.
Yes.
Great. It's all right. There's something wrong with your application. A couple of things that I needed to confirm, and maybe so that we can fix them out before we consider you getting a place or not.
Okay.
Yes. I noticed that your age said 23, but then on experience you wrote 20 years. How is that? How do you have 20 years experience when you're only 23 years old?
I don't have any experience.
But on the CV that you submitted, you wrote 20 years experience.
Okay.
Did you write that, or someone wrote your CV for you?
I wrote it by myself.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No one did that for you?
Yes.
Okay, that's the first part that needs correcting. It's okay. You said you don't have any experience, right?
Yes.
All right, let me write that down. Okay. And the other thing, something that was not quite clear, on your marriage status, you wrote single, married with a slash in between, and that's confusing because it looks like you're single and married at the same time. How is that?
Oh, I'm single.
All right, but you wrote single, married.
Maybe it's a mistake.
I will ask you again. Please, Lynn, it's okay, you can tell the truth. Did you write your CV by yourself, or did someone write it for you? It's okay, there's no problem in someone helping you to write your CV. It won't disqualify you. All we need is accurate information.
I wrote it by myself.
You're very sure, you're positive?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. No, Lynn, it's all right. Lynn, can you sing?
Sing? Yes, sometimes.
You can sing?
Yeah.
All right. I want you to help me sing this song, okay? All right. The song says, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To myself.
Happy birthday to you, Lynn. My name is not Mr. Mushakabvu. My name is Mr. Dobie. And this is a prank. You're live on radio, live on Star FM right now. And happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Got you. How do you feel turning 24?
It feels great.
It feels great, right?
Yeah.
All right. What was your first thought about those questions in your head? Early call from an opportunity, and it's so early in the morning. It's not even office time yet.
I was shocked.
You were shocked, right?
Yes.
But didn't you also get a little bit excited?
I get excited so much.
Yes. Interesting. Well, I want to say happy birthday to you, and I got your number from your friend. Her name is Nyasha Mkashanga. You know Nyasha, right?
Yes, I know you.
Great. So Nyasha says, happy birthday, my dear friend. I am happy for you, and he wishes that you would get the job that you're really looking for.
Okay.
Yeah. Have a good day and enjoy your birthday, Nyasha. May God keep increasing you in all the important areas of life, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks.
Star FM, sounding good all the time. Birthday prank messages, prank number 1. Let's do some more. I am looking through your messages. Let me find the next number to give a dial up to. If you have a friend or a family member who has a birthday today, give me details about them. Who are they? When? What? Which? Who's? Why? Anything. Tell me anything about them. And also don't forget to give me their phone number, right? So that I can be able to call them. And then I'll call them and prank them. We do this every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday right here on Star FM from 5 a.m. to 5:30. It's called Birthday Prank Messages with Mr. Dobie. How you going out? Feel it on Star FM. Sounding good.